In front of me is HUAWEI Mate Xs tool, and today I would like to show you how you can change screen refresh rate. All you need to do is go into settings and scroll a tiny bit to hit display and brightness. Then scroll again, this time to click on screen refresh rate. And click on the best one for you in order to apply it. So when I do that and go back, I can see that screen refresh rate of my HUAWEI has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!